It is. It's a Frigid. An actual freaking Frigid. Not a rebadged Lakewood, not a rebadged Lasco, not a rebadged Air King, or whatever the hell they were using with those wide 5-winged blades. But yeah, this is the real deal. And the rare 4-wing metal blades too. So yeah. And here's the top. Model B3300, 3 speeds. Handle. And note the back, it has the same thing. Can't tell what motor it is. I want to say Fasco, but or Westinghouse. Oh, I was wrong. It's got a Westinghouse motor. You can barely make it out, but yeah, it's a Westinghouse motor. Very nice. So yeah. Take a look at the underside. Holes for a stand, which have not been used, which is good. Could use some feet, but otherwise in great shape. So yeah, what I'm going to do, we're going to plug this up and we're going to give it a go. So I guess without further delay, here's high. Nice and quiet, slow, low. Let's check the spin down time now. That concerns me. It probably hasn't been used in so long, it needs to be broken in. Oh, let's check the amperage. The model tag is listed for 3 amps, so here's high. Surprisingly under spec. Very nice. 164-65 watts. Medium. And 34 watts. At 1.63 amps. Low. About 1.15 amps and 91 watts. You did hear a startup sound, so here's startup on high. Startup on medium. finally low. One more time. Yeah, probably before I put it into heavy service to shoot some oil in it. It's probably just the right thing to do. Like Quaker oatmeal and stuff. Alright, I guess that's going to do it for this episode of the unboxing show and tell of this lovely mid-70s Frigid model B3300. I mean, this makes my second metal four-winged blade fan, and my second actual Frigid. Mind you, not the rebadged Lakewood or whatever I mentioned. I mean, that GE X-Bay Frigid, that's like a rebadged Air King or something, but this one's a true Frigid, and looks like it hasn't been used very much because the inside is clean. The bottom isn't all rusted out, but it does need oil, so I'll probably do that before it goes to heavy service. And pretty much, I think it's a nice piece of machinery that will never be made again, which is really, really sad because we've gone to the ways of doing cheap and fast and now, which, yeah. So yeah, until next time, whenever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.